With a vision to uplift and take the educational atmosphere forward at Karbi Anglong, Dr. Deithor Kumar Bora, principal of Deithor Degree Model College, conducted an interactive session on 3rd September at Deithor Degree Model College with Dwarpagori Press Club and Assam Journalists Union Bokakhat Press Club, along with several press clubs from the region. The meeting was chaired by Dr. Deithor Kumar Bora, principal of Deithor Degree Model College. As per the invitation, Vidya Singh Ingling, President Dwarpagori Press Club, Rangsina Bey, Assistant General Secretary, Dwarpagori Press Club, Robinson Kili, Finance Secretary, Dwarpagori Press Club, Jitu Sarma Rajkhowa, President, All Assam Journalist Union, Bokakhat Press Club, Numaligarh Press Club, Golaghat Press Club, Morongi Press Club, and many more attended the interactive meet. Dr. Deithor Kumar Bora, while speaking to us, informed that the purpose of conducting this interactive session with the media fraternity is to be publicized about Deithor Model Degree College to rest of the citizens across the state. As very few know about the college, even the students from the neighboring districts hesitate to come and study at Karbi Anglong. As Karbi Anglong is filled with forest cover, people of outer districts are misguided and misinformed about Karbi Anglong district.
I am happy that within 1.5 years of the establishment of the college, I Dibrugarh University Porikha Center paisu. Kintu otoso kuno office staff notokake ami last exam solai dilu. Ami exam successfully solaisu. Kuno thono complaint university pora hana. Ami Assam Higher Secondary Education Culture first year porikha solaisu. Third grade, fourth grade officer staff nohuake. Ami kuno thono complaint hana.
He appeals the media fraternity to eradicate all this misinformation through their media houses. Also appeals the citizens to refrain from such misinformation aired by some miscreants.
He homoyor Honorable CM, Amar Dr. Tuliram Rongha, Aro he homoyor Honorable MSc, Bortoman Education or EM Research to be asil, Tekhetokolo got Kotapatilu, Tekhetokole, Tetia among Soil Department or IB2, among use Kurgudile.
Dr. Bora informed that on 14th and 15th October 2022, a national seminar on the biography of Padma Shri Professor Rongbong Terang, and in following days, a library and information center would also be established in his honor. Deithor Model Degree College currently offers Bachelor of Arts degree to students, and currently it has a total strength of 300 students. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.